Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around the product is from XunDD. So the packaging itself is really minimal, that's why it caught my attention, and there's this promise that is anti-scratch, anti-impact, and also it is slim. So at the very bottom is just those tags that where is it from. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing itself. Taking it out for the first time, I must say that it is really slim, and I'm not sure whether is it really high impact that will protect your iPad, but it is kind of a nice design. Behind it's plasticky, and this side is this rubber for you to easy grip, and I believe that it is their own X kind of design. So if you go browse the website, a few of the design is sort of the same, because I guess it is their signature cover, which is a nice touch. So at the bottom you'll see this little cutout over here that is for your keychain that you can loop over. So at the bottom of the corner there is their branding, which is UV, very minimum, quite subtle. And right now I'm just going to take my 12.9-inch iPad Pro and test it with this case. So if you guys have watched my video before, you have known that I have actually purchased 背诗 screen protector that looks exactly like Apple smart case, and if you have not checked it out, maybe I will link that in the description box below. You can have a look at it. So the disadvantage of the smart cover does not protect the corner of your iPad, and this does protect your four corners. So I would think that it's much more safer if you are bringing outside. So after snapping it in, I must say that this is one of the company that actually does a proper cutout for all the holes. If you look at microphone hole and also the speaker hole, it is well protected, even down to the side and the rail of the charging port. Everything is well built. That means it's not off-centered and there's no misalignment. How satisfying it is when you build a new product. So if you are wondering if it does it work with your iPad Pencil, yes it does. So you can connect directly onto the magnet section, and obviously because of there is one slight layer over the magnet, so it can be easily loose if you never hold it properly. So if you wonder how about the back camera, does it fit nicely? Yes, I think this is one of the company that has actually put some thoughts behind it, and it is really well cut, so you don't see any loose edges. Even down to the flash button, it is also perfectly cut. I'm not going to do any drop testing, and although it states that it is anti-impact, so well, I'm just here to share with you guys a nice cover out there. If you're interested in this cover, you can just go down to the link below, and that's it for my video. If you enjoy, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.